Welcome to a SIM code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will learn about Pandas Series. A Pandas series is a one-dimensional labeled array that can hold data of any type. Integers, floats, strings, Python objects, etc. It is similar to a NumPy array, but it also has an associated index that labels each element. Create a series from a list. Display the series. Create a series with custom index labels. Display the series with custom index. Access an element by index label. Access multiple elements using a list of labels. Apply a mathematical operation. Example, multiply each element by 2. Check for an element's presence in the index. Filter elements greater than 30. Perform a custom function on the series using apply. Combine two series, adding them element-wise. Display the combined series. Handle missing values, NaN. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a sim code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.